Please introduce yourself.
Yes, my name is Kapil Upadhyay and I am the priest of this temple called Dehi Kund Temple. Actually, the bigger name is Dehu Bihari. So, the story of this temple is like once Lord Krishna traveling means Lord Krishna performed a 84 Kos Braj Yatra with all the Brajvasi.
Oh,
So,
he
why,
himself did Chaurasi Cross.
yes, so why Lord Krishna performing 84 Kos? What Lord Krishna want? Because Lord Krishna has situated all the tirth. You understand the tirth?
Holy places.
Yes, holy places. In India, we have four tirth: Kedarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri, Yamunotri. In Hindi, we call it Char Dham.
Char Dham.
So Lord Krishna self situated the four Char Dham here. So Lord Krishna performed once Lord Braj 84 Kos Parikrama with all the Brajvasi. When Lord Krishna came here, then Narad Muni come in the form of a Brahmin and said to Lord Krishna, "Hey Krishna, you are performing the 84 Kos Yatra, and one who do Yatra, they will donate something to the Brahman, so that their parikrama could be successful and to attain the salvation." So Lord Krishna said, Lord Krishna said to Narad, who is in the form of Brahmin. Brahmin asked, "What do you want? I will donate you that. Whatever you ask for, I will donate you that." Then Brahmin said, "Lord Krishna, who is the dearest to you? Donate me that."
Oh,
So who is the dearest to Lord Krishna?
Radha.
Radharani. And the thing is, if Radharani is in Radharani in this side, Lord Krishna, if someone in front of the Radharani asks to Lord Krishna, who is the dearest to you? So this is
Cannot
so Lord
escape.
Krishna definitely go for Radharani, because
Yes.
if Lord Krishna call something else dearest, then Sri Radharani will
Upset.
definitely angry on him.
Man.
So Lord Krishna like this
Pointed.
pointed Radharani. So he said, "Brahmin, Radharani is the dearest to me." So basically Lord Krishna donated Radharani here. So what is the mean Lord Krishna donated Radharani here? In Sanskrit we have
Oh, sorry, one moment, Rohini.
I was there when Lord Krishna.
You can talk to him.
No problem. You can first take the call. Yes. And so I was there when Lord Krishna donated Radharani to the Brahmin. What does it mean? In Sanskrit we have one word to mean slok. Radha Krishna Sarupam by Krishna Radha Sarupani means Radha is Krishna, Krishna is Radha. So when Lord Krishna donated Radha here, it means Lord Krishna donated himself as a second body. His second body means Radha's body. So body in Sanskrit we called Dehi.
Dehe, yes.
So Lord Krishna donated Radha Rani's Dehi. Then the name of this temple became Dehu Bihari. And the name of the Kund is Dehu Kund. When Lord Krishna donated, now Radharani belongs to the Brahmin.
Yes.
When Brahmin took Radharani with him,
Yes.
so Lord Krishna thought, how can I live without Radharani?
Yes.
So Lord Krishna go to the Brahmin and asked Brahmin, please return the Radharani back. Then when he asked Brahmin, then Brahmin said, you donated me Radharani.
Already.
And if you want Radharani, Brahmin are very clever.
Yes.
So Brahmin said, if you want Radharani back, first you have to give me the gold equal to the weight of Radharani. Then in Hindi we call tula. In English we call weighing scale.
Weighing scale, yes.
So Lord Krishna put Radharani one side of the weighing scale,
Yes.
and other side Lord Krishna give
Gold.
gold equal to the weight of Radharani. So when you go behind the temple, you will find the small visual, you can say the darshan
Yes.
of that Tuladan.
Oh.
So this is the short story of this place. I hope you understood.
Yes, I did.
My English was not good.
No, but thank you. I'm sorry, I don't know Hindi.
Okay.
Thank you, Ji. Your name again?
Kapil Upadhyay.
Kapil Upadhyay. Thank you, Kapil Ji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Jai Shri Deha Bihari ki jai.